Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to cancel Manychat Pro subscription. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, log into your Manychat account using your browser. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your dashboard. On the left-hand side, look for the Settings option and click on it. This is your main control area for managing your account preferences. Inside the Settings menu, find and select the Billing tab. This section contains all your payment and subscription information. Here, you'll see details such as your current plan, billing cycle, and payment methods. Look for the option that says Cancel Subscription and click on it to start the cancellation process. Manychat will then ask for a reason for cancellation. This step is optional but recommended, as it helps the platform gather feedback and improve its services. After completing the feedback section, click Next to move to the final step. This is where you'll see the Cancel My Subscription button. Once you're ready, click the Cancel My Subscription button to finalize the process. A quick reminder, cancellation actions like this can only be performed through the Manychat website, not the mobile app. And that's it. So that is how you can cancel Manychat Pro subscription. So that's all for this video. Thanks.